Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would just sit down with you guys and update you on a lot that's been going on. This is my outfit today. This is literally the comfiest sweater in the world on a flight because you can like snuggle up into it, but you can also snap it at the bottom and twist it and wear it over your head so it actually looks like a full-on closed sweater. Can you just hold the camera right here? Thank you. We got some assistants up in here.
Cover up your face.
What? My face look like it needs to be covered?
No, this is your photo.
I just do it because it's like the easiest way for me to hold my hand. So this is what it looks like. Once it's snapped, grab it like this, spin it, and put it up. And then obviously, this is what the sweater looks like once it's buttoned up. I think it looks a little bit more formal this way. This would be so cute with leggings and either like ankle boots, knee-length boots in the fall. Mine is the gray and white striped one. They had it in just like plain gray and they had it in light pink, which I actually ordered. It's not here yet, but I figured this would be a good cardigan to wear maybe coming home from the hospital after we had baby girl. A lot of you guys have been asking me where I get all of my like long chill cardigans from. This one is from Nordstrom. It's the brand Gibson, under $70. I'll link it down below for you guys. I always link things down below in the description if they're still available. I'm wearing a small. I could go a size bigger. I probably also go a size smaller. I think it just depends on how big and comfy you like your sweaters. This tank top and this pair of leggings are maternity purchases. This is, I think it's the Isabel brand from Target. I bought this in white and black, and then I bought the same brand. It's their maternity leggings. Look how high up these things come. This is my 27-week bump. It's been really fun now because people have started to ask me like how far along I am and what's my due date and if we're having a boy or a girl. It's kind of like the fun stage where people are asking if you're pregnant, and I no longer feel that I just kind of look blobby, so this is pretty nice. Some of my apps say week 27 is third trimester, and I think the American Pregnancy Association says it's third trimester, but then a different app said next week is third trimester. Either way, by the time you guys are watching this, already in my third trimester, which is really crazy and really exciting. We have an extra ultrasound scheduled actually for 2 weeks from now, so we'll actually be able to see her again, which is really exciting. If you've been pregnant before, you know the feeling, like you just want to see them, you want to know that everything's okay and see like where they are and what's going on in there. So it'll be really nice to see her again, but we have an extra one scheduled because I don't know if I told you guys this, at our mid-pregnancy anatomy scan, so that's what they do typically around 20 weeks, they told us that I had a low placenta. Your placenta just chooses where to develop basically, and mine is developing on the lower side, which can be pretty dangerous if it stays down there. A lot of times it will fix on its own and it will move up. Otherwise, if it stays in that lower position, it's called Placenta Previa, and basically it means that it's covering the opening where the baby needs to come out. My placenta stays low, I would need to have a C-section. So they are giving me an extra ultrasound in 2 weeks from now to see if my placenta has moved up. So that was a little scary when they told us that, but we've just been praying that it's been moving up on its own. We're hoping that everything has kind of resolved itself, but I will know more 2 weeks from now. So a lot of you guys are writing that you love seeing what fruit she is on the app updates, except we're no longer in cute little fruit territory, guys. We're in like big weird vegetables now. Things are getting serious. This is the Sprout app, and it says, congratulations, you've reached the third trimester. At this key milestone, your developing baby now weighs about 2 pounds and is the size of a cauliflower. Except cauliflower thing is very confusing to me because cauliflower heads are all different shapes and sizes. And the Bump app says that she is 14 inches, almost 2 pounds, and she is as big as lettuce. Yep. Okay, she's as big as a head of lettuce this week. So I thought I would give you guys a house update on the home that we are building. They gave us a closing date, which is so exciting. So now we actually know when we can move into the house, and it's going to be next month in September. They are right on schedule, which is awesome. Our lease ends in this place in September, so it really all worked out perfectly. So last time you guys saw the house, it was just the studs. They had just started framing it. I actually went back when it was still the studs, and we wrote Bible verses. We each wrote our wedding vows on the side of the bed the other person sleeps on. So now it's in the framing of the house before they put the drywall up. So it is part of the house forever, which we thought was super special. The question I keep getting asked is if we designed the whole house. This builder that we went with really let you pick out all of the aesthetics of the house, like the paint color and what you want the floors to look like and the kitchen cabinets and the tile, but they had set floor plans to pick from. This is just a house that we got to pick out all the finishes, which was really nice for us because all the places we were looking at buying, we didn't like how the inside of the house looked, and we didn't want to pay full price and then put more work into the house. So this really was the best of both worlds for our current situation. Thought I would show you guys what the house looks like now, give you a quick little tour through it. Keep in mind, obviously, this is not the fully finished house. There's not even like kitchen cabinets. Oh I'll give you guys like an actual empty house tour once it's done and ready for us to move in. This is just kind of a quick little update. So we're standing in the main living area looking at the kitchen. The house is an open concept floor plan. So right now I'm standing in the living room showing you guys the kitchen, which is going to be my favorite room in the house. On both sides of the wall, there will be walls of kitchen cabinets and appliances. And then right off to the back of the kitchen, this is where our pantry is going to be, which you know is a huge upgrade for us because we currently don't have a pantry. So then off of the kitchen is the dining area. There's a little office space to the right, and this is the sunroom off to the left of the dining area. From the kitchen, I'm currently standing in like the living room area. Then there's the staircase, there's a bathroom, and then there's an office. So up the stairs, you go directly into the loft area, which is another like main living area for the upstairs area. And this is where the laundry room will be, up on the upstairs level. And then we're in our master bedroom. And then from the master bedroom is our bathroom, which obviously you can tell this is going to be my favorite because it's a huge bathtub. There's a separate shower off of the bathtub. And on the other side of the wall, there will be a double sink vanity combo. And then back here, there's a linen closet. Also very exciting because we don't have any closets in our current apartment. And then back here is just an actually big master bedroom closet. Then back outside of the closet, we're back in the bathroom and back into the master bedroom. And across the way, there is another bedroom. There's actually 3 other bedrooms. I think I show you guys like 2 of these. This is one of the bedrooms. Down the hallway, there's a guest bathroom / this will be the kids' bathroom. So this next bedroom that I'm showing you guys, I'm pretty sure we're actually going to turn this into the future nursery. So that's really exciting and I can't wait to decorate this room. Now going downstairs, we're going to end up in our basement, which is unfinished for now. And it's also open concept. And Cody's already claimed this room as his gym. So that's most likely what this will be. If you guys enjoyed that little home update, if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram too, because I post all of these updates on my Instagram stories as well as outfit of the days and everything over there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.